SFC, lahi kayo mag-game. Thank you guys.
Thank you. At may isa pa tayong foreigner na makakasama. Let's meet number 2.
Na. Bubok na.
Gatal Tahali, Maada Marcos. Ako si Kyle. Galing ako sa California, USA. Masaya ako, makita kayo. Salamat po.
Kyle. Oh, join us, Kyle. Kita ka.
Hello.
How are you?
I'm good. How about yourself?
Oh, I'm very incredible.
Sira na. Ito okay pa naman.
LA.
LA. Are you far from the Fires?
Yeah, my family's good over there.
They're good, they're good.
So, how long have you been here? About 6 months.
6 months.
Are you staying with a relative or any family member?
No, I'm just staying by myself.
Alone din.
Wow. And you look very young.
Yeah, how old are you, bro? 34.
Oh. You look very young.
I'm 19.
19? Wow. My goodness.
He's
What is
19 and you're 19. Look at the difference.
What is your height, Kyle? What is your height?
I'm 6'3".
6'3".
How about you?
3'6". 3'6".
Why have you been here for 6 months? What brought you here? I heard the Philippines is very maganda.
Thank you.
And one more thing. I heard the food is very masarap.
That is true as well. So, have you proven it to yourself that the food here is masarap?
It's masarap. Yeah.
What's the best food for you?
Sinigang.
Everybody loves sinigang.
Sinigang. There's sinigang na baboy, sinigang na
Pork, shrimp, or what?
Chicken.
Chicken.
Inola.
Kasi,
Sinapalukang ano.
parang sarap din. We'll teach you more about the Filipino culture. It's called Pinipini.
Magandang hapon po muli. Narito po ako ulit para maghatid po ng TOTB o Talasalitaan at Tugon.
So, what's the first word?
Ang una pong salita ay
Say it.
Bakya. Yeah.
Bakya. You know what bakya is?
Slippers.
Oh.
You know what bakya is? Slippers. Yeah. Yes.
bibilihan. Ito po ay isang uri ng sapin sa paa na yari sa kahoy.
Kyle, you be very wary of the Filipino mothers. Because Filipino mothers, their superpower is they can hit you with a chair. It's wounded if it's malayo or if it's far.
Liza? Liza said in English?
Well, bakya is a type of footwear made of wood. Yes, there's even a folk song called Bakya Mo.
Can you sing it?
Oh, Ate Jean can sing it. Binibini
Hey, Jean, can you sing it?
Bakya Mo Nining. Okay, so it's a love song about a girl named Neneng who wears a bakya. That word.
Yes. So that's bakya. Here's the second word.
pagpipilihan. Narito po ang pangalawang salita. Pakibasa niyo.
Tawiz.
So, what is tawilis, Pilipinan?
Ito ay isang uri ng isda na sa Pilipinas lang natutupad.
Can you explain further, Liza? Binibining Liza?
Surely, you know what? You can only find the wheels in Taal Lake. And it's located in Batangas.
Oh, have you been going around the Philippines already?
Just a little bit.
Have you seen Taal Volcano?
Oh, Tagaytay?
Yes.
Yeah.
That's right,
Uh,
time.
So this kind of fish can only be found in the crater lake of Taal Volcano. So you see it from Tagaytay, right? You saw the volcano. Let me just clear it up for you. The volcano is found in Batangas.
Yes.
Where you saw it from, Tagaytay, which
That's Cavite.
that's Cavite,
Right? And